Opening up these Toy Store Imaginext figures. First, let's open up Woody with a spaceship. Okay, so here's what comes in this set. Comes with a little Zurg robot. And a Woody. It's got his space helmet on. He's all ready to go to outer space. And it comes with his rocket ship. It even says Sheriff on the front. The next thing we're going to open up is the army men. Check out these cool army men. They even have a removable footstand. Comes with a little metal detector. And binoculars. And the last thing it comes with is this little gurney. How cool is this? They can hold on to it. And the last thing we're going to open up is this walking Rex.
Were you scared? Geronimo! Dinosaur overboard!
His arms can move. He can open and shut his mouth. And the best part,
Dinosaur overboard! Whoa! Dinosaur overboard!
Here it is, Woody. Space Command. Wow, Buzz, it does exist. Of course it does, Woody. Well, you all ready to go into space, Woody? Oh, sure, Buzz. All right, get into my spaceship. Oh, that's okay. I brought my own. Your own? What do you mean your own? Behold, I give you Sheriff Woody's spaceship. I am impressed. Where'd you get it? It's just something I threw together.
hey Buzz, hey Buzz, hey Buzz. Wow, cool spaceship. Can I come with you guys? I have my space gear on.
Sure, why not?
All right, let's go.
Blast off.
Wow, we made it, Buzz. We're on the moon.
Yup. Let's look around, Buzz.
Wow, look at all these cool moon rocks. Hey, Buzz, I found something. It's some kind of ray gun or something. I wonder what this button does.
Wait, Woody, don't touch that.
Whoa. What? What is it? Whoa! You're huge! Huh? Oh yeah, you're right, Buzz.
That's a dangerous ray gun, Woody. We better get rid of it.
You're right, Buzz.
Hold it right there.
Ah, Buzz, what do we do?
Woody, grab the ray gun. Hey, what are you doing?
Meow, meow, meow.
You did it, Woody.
I wonder if I press this reverse button, if it'll turn Rex back to normal. Oh, thank goodness.
Well, we better get home and destroy that ray gun.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.